Rescuing and Nurturing Phalaenopsis Orchids, the ultimate guide. Hello! Today, we will continue to share the Save Phalaenopsis series. This bottle of Phalaenopsis is the protagonist of today's video. You can see that his old leaves are no longer working. The root system has also dried up a lot. Current judgment. One of the main reasons he's not dead yet. It's the two blades above. You can see that the root system below is basically withered and shriveled. Then we cut it directly from the neck. Take a look at his cross-section, which is still green. Explain that there is still a chance to save. Clean up all the withered and yellow parts of the neck. Then rinse with water. Next, prepare 3 cloves of garlic. Chop the garlic. Pour in 300 milliliters of water. Add 3 teaspoons of rice. Stir well. Then filter this water. You can use this water to wipe Phalaenopsis directly. Then soak this progress into this water. Half an hour. This water is good as long as it has not improved. Don't go to the part of the shin. Find a piece of dishwashing cotton. Cut to the right size. Put the previous Phalaenopsis on the dishwashing cotton. Then add a little water to the bottom of the container. Not too much water. Basically, don't miss the sponge. About 2/3 of the sponge. You can spray water every 3 to 4 days. Make him another cover. Reduce the evaporation of moisture in the vitality column. Also maintain a certain humidity. Punch a few holes to maintain a certain amount of air circulation. The garlic rice water prepared before can be put into a watering can to spray Phalaenopsis. Look at 2 months later. The growth and changes of the care exhibition this week. There's a new leaf growing on his page, and then he had 2 lateral buds growing underneath him. Take a look at the 2 lateral buds below. Has a lateral bud with 2 symmetrical leaves. What about this lateral bud? Grown a big leaf, a small leaf. The root system is also a little longer. Not very long yet, but if more than 3 roots grow and if 1 root is more than 3 centimeters, you can give it to him. It's in the basin. His overall condition is still very good. This base silk is to prevent Phalaenopsis lodging. So the first half of this video, it's about the rescue of this Phalaenopsis. That's it. In the second half of this video, we're sharing another great conservation tip. Share below to make your own with Coke. Nutrient water of Phalaenopsis. Let your Phalaenopsis grow more flowers. Prepare a larger container. Add 2 liters of water to it. Then prepare 20 milliliters of Diet Coke. Get a graduated cup, about 30 milliliters. Add the Coke to the 2 liters of water just now. You can use this diluted Coke directly to wipe the blue leaves in the living room. You can also put this water in a watering can for spraying in a jug. In addition to the cleansing spray wipe, the third way is to water the roots of care. This can be done once a month. Take a look after using this water for more than 2 months. One effect of butterfly dawn. It can be said that the state is very good. Of course, this also needs to be during his peak growing season to have such an effect. This is today all the content to share with you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.